Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Are Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 57. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xian and Lu Shishao. Since Xian trying to coax her. Right now, she was teasing Lu Shishao. Lu Shishao said to her to release her hand. Well, definitely, she is not feeling good. It is so strange why my heart is beating so fast. Well, definitely, she wants to restrain her feeling. But right now, Xian said to her, then, I'm going back, so good night. Well, suddenly Xian, she become timid. She is not questioning her. It really makes sense to Lu Shishao. He was really laughing. If there's something wrong with Xian, why are you so obedient this time? Lu Shishao said to herself. Of course, she doesn't know that Xian is plotting something. On the next day, on Lu Shishao's family, Lu Wei said to her, Mom, sorry, I know, I was wrong. Yesterday, Teacher C punished me to write an essay. Now, it really makes her tired. Lu Wei said, I retook a math test paper. Well, it's really painful, the punishment of Xian. I also wrote a review. Definitely right now, Xian should not let it slide, although she teach Lu Wei how to amend the mistake, and it was really good. Right now, Lu Shishao is trying to console her daughter. Lu Wei said to her, Mom, can you forgive me? Of course, Lu Shishao, she will always forgive her daughter. Right now, Lu Shishao, she was looking at her daughter. She was calling her Nyu Nyu. Probably she wanted to say something because of what happened last day. That's why right now she hugged her tightly. Nyu Nyu, I'm sorry. Mom should have not punished you. Nyu Nyu also forgives Mom, okay? Oh, definitely, the two of them are already made up. I'm just afraid that you'll be disappointed if I don't do well in the math exam. Mom, I won't do it again next time. Right now, hearing this, well, Mom knows. Did you feel any pain yesterday? Now, Lucia was crying, having an arguments. Right now, Xian, she was still standing on the door. Of course, she really cares for them. Now, she was waving and said, I'm going back first. Well, definitely Xian, she really did a great job trying to make amends the mother and the daughter. Now, it's time for her to do her plan. Let's reconcile, I won't bother. I will make a big cooks yesterday. I fell asleep at 2 or 3 in the morning. But right now, she need to take her plan. As Lu Shishao loses her composure, he won't care about anything. He was so careless that he didn't even realize that her itinerary information has been leaked. And then, he really won't let it slide. I have to tell my parents in advance. She really want to go on vacation. But when it was raining and she was calling her mother, well, definitely want to go on vacation with Lu Shishao and Lu Wei. Right now, she need to ask her parents first. Now, her mother answered the phone. Hello, mom. This year, Yan, I plan to go on New Zealand with your dad to celebrate the New Year. She's not speaking, but her mom stopped her. You can go anywhere by yourself. Your uncles. You can go home, but there's no one to cook for you. Mother's talk too fast. Well, definitely Xian. She really can't let slide. Xian, she can't get any word on her mother. Okay, that's all. I'm shopping with your dad. Well, definitely. Mom, this is really my biological mother. She really feels exhausted. By the way, Xian's parents is very good, really understanding parents. Right now, she lie down on the couch. But this is fine. Now, she can book an online ticket. Now, it was really good. She can book a ticket so she can follow mother and daughter. Now, she looks really happy, searching for Roland Island. It is the place where the mother and daughter will go through. Now, it was a New Year's holiday. At 2 p.m., it was on Roland Islands. The mother and the daughter finally arrived. Well, let's see on what will happen. Their reaction when they see Sian. Right now, Louie, she seems to be happy. Now, Louie, she really liked the weather. Okay, no rush. Mom will pick off the things first. We're going to be busy. I sent her a message before boarding, but she still hasn't responded after almost 10 hours. Now, it really makes sense. She got really worried about Sian not replying to her. I want to say Happy New Year to you in advance. Oh, definitely, she really got worried. As sooner as possible, but right now, look at her. Did she really miss her? She doesn't even know how to tell herself. Yes, tomorrow is a New Year's Eve. Every family will reunited to celebrate New Year. She should be have gone home as well also. She always thinks Sian now. It was me who rejected her. Well, definitely. It's too self-indulgent. Right now, she was really blabbing something. She don't want to escalate things more deeply on Sian. Doesn't matter, it's okay if you don't come. My New and I are having a great time together. Why do we need a third person to disturb us? Oh, really? You didn't miss her? Sushisha said, New, change your skirt and let's go to the beach to play. She seems to be excited hearing her mother. The skirt is placed on the table for you. The champagne sent by the hotel has arrived and Mom is going to open the door. Right now, when she going to the door, she seems to hesitating. She shouts to herself, it is a champagne. When she opened the door, Sian said, please put it in. Look at her, she seems to be surprised. It is really surprising and also, she was in shock. She was only thinking the person on a few minutes ago and right now, suddenly pop up on her faces. Well, definitely, Sian said to her, Happy New Year. And it was a personal. Sian, she was really good. Right now, let's see on what will happen to their vacation. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!